Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I was having in the car for a while some brake pedals that I used to have on the Astra. So these are the sport pedals that coming on Astra J VXR or Insignia A higher spec. The footrest is from eBay. It's a universal one. It's just you stick it on the floor, removing the double-sided tape. The clutch and the brake pedal fit kind of well. I don't need to do any adjustments. Different story with the gas pedal. So it's slightly bigger, so I'm gonna cut it down. Some people might say it's a bodge or it's unsafe, but I'm pretty sure it won't be a problem because I'm not gonna cut more than this. I'll remove the old pedal. And this cover just slides over, just like this. The brake's the same. Now the complicated part. Now let's see if it fits. I think I'm gonna have to cut it on the same level here. I'm gonna file it down, make it prettier. I think it fits pretty well now, so it's not moving. I'll be adding the footrest as well. Gonna tuck this mat underneath, remove the double-sided tape. Probably is not gonna stick too well. I don't know about you, but I like it. I'm happy how it turned up. I don't know if you consider it a budge or unsafe. I don't think it's unsafe at all because the pedals are not moving at all, especially the gas pedal. Everything else, it's secure. Let me know in the comments what you think, it's a good idea or not. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more videos and see you on the next one.